Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching TechMade Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert equation shapes like equal, plus, like that on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just move on to the video. So how to insert the equation shapes on your Microsoft Excel web on the computer, I just going to show in this video. So first of all, click on the insert option here on the top, and you can see option on the illustration called shapes. Click on this and just drag down, and you can find option called equation shapes. Here you can find a plus and a multiplication and equal to or not equal to. You can have a total of 6 different equation symbols here, like minus, like that. So you can just click on this, you can just expand it, you can just resize it. You can have a different color sheets for this. Have a various of options here for that. So just click on this plus symbol, just click on the shape option. So click on this, you can see this is a normal color, and if you just need to have a gradient color, you can just choose a gradient color. It will be on the last section, so you can just choose different type of gradient colors for the different shapes. So this is how we just insert the equation shapes on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMade Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.